Hi everyone, my name is Saravanan Dhandapani and welcome to my course on securing AWS Networks. I'm an architect working in travel domain focused on middleware and cloud technologies. When it comes to security, AWS has multiple services addressing different aspects of security, starting from securing your infrastructure to your application and eventually your data. One of the primary components of AWS Certified Advanced Networking Specialty Certification exam is to design and implement for security and compliance. And in this course is completely dedicated to address that. In this course, we're going to see AWS Cloud Adoption Framework focusing on the security pillar and learn about common compliance standards. Understand shared responsibility model and learn how to perform penetration testing in AWS. Learn about AWS edge locations and how content is served using AWS CloudFront. Understand how data can be encrypted at rest and in transit using AWS cryptographic services. And finally, learn how to protect sensitive data using Amazon Macie. By the end of this course, you will have a complete understanding of AWS security landscape and be well positioned to take your networking specialty certification exam. I hope you will join me on this journey to learn about AWS security services in Securing AWS Networks course at Pluralsight.